Ag Day Weather, brought to you by
Discover the next frontier in crop protection. Preaxor fungicide.
We're back now on Ag Day, and we decided to have a little fun on this soggy Halloween and poke fun at ourselves. So we're going to show us a couple Halloween costumes. So first, let's see Mike Hoffman's. Mike, I can't get over this. I think I want to print that and put that in my office.
No.
But I do have a question. Are those muscles painted on or are those real?
Well, they are real, but the bronze helps a little bit. But this was done for a charity here in town, so it was kind of cool this past summer.
So you had like a professional makeup artist?
Yeah, kind of. That was a strange situation because I'm not a model in any way, shape, or form.
You heard it right here, folks. Mike Hoffman is
All right,
not a model.
Let's see yours. Olive oil.
Yeah, see, I'm not as good as you. I didn't have a professional makeup artist.
Yeah, but your husband's got great forearms there.
Yeah, he does. And I look decent as a brunette.
That was a totally different look there.
It was.
Well,
all right,
Halloween.
let's move from that, get started with the weather. Speaking of the forecast, it's pretty spooky.
It is. For anybody trying to get crops out of the fields, this is not good. It's already caused a fair amount of rain west of the system, and now we're still seeing rain across Kansas. Parts of Kansas needed the rain, though, and you can see parts of Texas needed the rain as well, but farther east, not so much, especially when you're trying to get some crops out of the field. These are very heavy rain amounts, and some of these are going to be thunderstorms, and severe weather is a possibility from the Ohio River southward ahead of this whole system. So this is not a good-looking situation. Lots of moisture just flowing northward out of this double barrel area of low pressure. So you can see by late in the day from the Great Lakes northeast all the way down to Louisiana, lots of rain and lots of showers and thunderstorms in the warm sector. Most of it moves into the Appalachian region as we head toward tomorrow morning. So it's about a 24-hour event, and then that will continue to move toward the east and into the southeast. Another little system will cause some lighter amounts of rain and snow moving across the Great Lakes northeastern plains as we head through tomorrow afternoon. So let's check rain amounts. This is the estimate over the past 24 hours. You can see some decent amounts in the southern plains. Let's add on the next 36, and oh my goodness, huge areas get over a half an inch, and a lot of Indiana, Illinois into Michigan get 2 to 3 inches of rain out of this whole system. So it is going to be a real soaker in many parts of the Corn Belt. Snow amounts are definitely going to stay in the Rockies at this point. Looks like you've seen some decent amounts higher elevation, and even a little bit more will come over the next 36 hours. High temperatures this afternoon, 70s and 80s by the Gulf Coast, but lots of 40s and 50s across the northern and central plain states. The cold air continues to march southward, so a lot of lows in the 30s and 40s throughout the plains, as you can see. Warmest air still in the southeast, and high temperatures tomorrow still on the cool side across the northern tier of states. Now, taking a look at the jet stream, you can see another little piece of energy coming for the Great Lakes for the weekend. Warms up slightly for a day or two early next week, and then the next trough, along with a lot of rain out ahead of it, will move from west to east across the plain states next week. That's a look across the country. Now let's take a look at some local forecasts. First of all, for Bakersfield, California, bright sunshine and pleasant, high temperature of 71 degrees. Mobridge, South Dakota, partly sunny and breezy with a high of 45. And finally, we'll take a look at Lake City, Florida, a mix of sun and clouds, a high of 83.
Still to come, find out in Food in Your Family how the federal government is trying to protect your school-age children from food allergies. But first, we're headed in the country to Tennessee to see how a spooky Halloween tale can have some real benefits to the ag community.